Yeet! Yeet, yeet, yeet. Welcome everybody. It's Mr. Crayfish. Welcome back to another live stream. I'm not starting this off properly. Hold on, let me start this off properly. Alright, we're going to this layout here. We're going to go into this layout. Look at this. Look at that. Hey, oh, what the heck? No! You're not supposed to be there. There we go. Alright, perfect. Yo guys, what's going on? It's Mr. Crayfish and welcome back, my dudes. To another live stream. I miss these because on the weekend we just did main channel live streams. We didn't actually do development live streams. Hold up. Fix this up a little bit. Yeah, it's a bit better. We just did main channel live streams. So we're back at it again with some more programming. Back with the small squad. Back with the real ones. Oh no, everybody's the real ones, but I mean back with my kind of small group of fans, so I can actually read the chat. Did you see Discord? No, I haven't checked it yet. I was just trying to get the stream ready and announced. I'll check it on stream if it's alright. I think it'll be alright to check on stream. Yo, what up, Nalbus? How you doing, my dude? How you doing? Nalbus is better than you. Hey, now! No, he's... I can't, nah. He is 100% better than me. At art, because he drew all this. He drew that picture right there. Right, he drew that. He drew the background as well. He did all the background and stuff. He created these. He created the new sponsor badges. So if you guys ever become a sponsor, you'll get access to these badges. And depending how long you sponsor for, you can get a different icon. So if you're a sponsor for 6 months, you'll get a gold one. If you're a sponsor for 2 years, you'll get the rainbow claw. You'll get the rainbow claw. So, pretty cool new feature. So yeah, bunch of you guys already got the sponsor badges. I'm wondering who's going to be the first person to get the gold one, because somebody's going to be close to it soon. Is the gold one, so that's going to be interesting. The year one's going to be interesting as well. I don't know if 2 years will ever come about. We'll see. We'll see. I hope it does. I hope a 2 year somebody manages to get the 2 year badge. That'd be really cool. But obviously I gotta stream for like 2 years. Coffee is sick. Get a coffee then, my dude. Nalbus, why are you on my stream this early? Never usually here. Alright, switch back over here and let's get this programming under the way, because today we're going to be adding in some sort of boat physics into the vehicle mod, because I want to add I actually want to add like a like boats into the vehicle mod, and I first need to develop like the physics, because if I do it in the actual live stream, then it takes up the time. Like, I gotta develop the physics, add the boat in, do all the rendering, do all the things I need to do for that. So I'd rather get this done. How does he make videos? Why are you asking him? Add a traffic light? I don't want it to be like a city mod. There's tons of mods out there that already add in like road lines and that type of stuff. I just want it purely to be focusing on vehicles and the vehicles themselves. Like there's like literally dedicated mods for like stop signs, traffic lights, that type of stuff, road lines, boats. What did I miss? Nothing yet. We haven't even started. But we're going to be adding in boat physics today, which means we're going to do a lot of refactoring of code, because basically vehicle is like a generic term. So a vehicle can be anything. It can be a boat, it can be a car, it can be a helicopter, it can be a private jet. So I kind of want to rename it to like saying... Well, I know I could call it land vehicle, but like, is there like a better name to call it than land vehicle? If you guys have an idea, let me know. Perhaps. I don't know what you're replying to. I need context, Nalbus. I forgot what I said to you. Dance for me? I'm not dancing right now. I need to drink my coffee. You know, that's what I need. I need my coffee, alright? Need my coffee. Who actually joined the main channel live streams, my dudes? Who joined the main channel live streams? I know Naubus was there in Cub G. And I killed Naubus in Cub G. That was good. That was a good kill. It was a 10 out of 10 kill. I was there watching. Oh yeah, you're playing. You're playing, mate. I don't know when the next one will be, Coffee. Maybe next weekend. We might do it again. Because, like, people will be ready again. People will be ready because they installed the mod pack. But, like, it's so funny. Like, so many times in that stream, like, how do I join? And I literally had a message on the screen. Link in description to join server or something. And I kept mentioning throughout the whole entire live stream. Go to the tutorial in the description to join. Like, everybody just doesn't know. Nobody knows how to read. I can't join main channel streams due to the chat being so fast. So you're not joining it because the chat's too fast. Why not play? Why not play? You should do 2 separate classes like entity driving vehicle, entity floating vehicle. That doesn't make sense. Because I can't call it car, because a bike's not a car. I can just call it land vehicle. But then do I call it water vehicle? Land, sea, air. Sea vehicle. What do I call it? Land vehicle. What do they call it? Vehicle. Land vehicles. What do they actually call it? Motor vehicles. Spacecraft. Land vehicles. Floating vehicle. Aqua vehicle. Aero vehicle. Is that actually like correct terms? Aqua vehicle. Sounds cheesy. I hate the word aqua for some reason. Sounds cheesy. Don't you start streaming by looking at the community discords? Yeah, it's basically as a threshold. I look at the stream. Depending on how many images there are. If there's 5, I stream instantly. Stream. Stream. The Donald Trump one. My god. Boy! When I get that Minefields world, I reckon I'll do a little comeback video having a look around. Maybe. You should do it. I should join you. I'll join you with it. Can I join you with it? I just want to tag along. Like, you can still do the whole video. I just want to tag along. Like, you know, I don't even have... You can literally... I'll just be in the background of the video. But that means we have to have a server. RIP. Oh, we could probably sort out a server. We could probably do some hackery. Because we can actually use Hamachi. I'm pretty sure. That old trick. Use a Hamachi server. Use Hamachi. You guys know about that program? Me and Master have got you covered. No, we need an Australian server. But no, we can just use Hamachi. Because Hamachi allows us to, you can literally host a server on your own computer without any port forwarding. Because you can configure the IP of Minecraft. You can point the IP to be whatever. Wish I had a third monitor so I could recreate your town, watch your stream at the same time. Minefields is dead. Steve Jobs is dead. Walt Disney is dead. I'm dead. You have to set it up. Yeah, I could probably do it. You should have good connection though, hopefully. Maybe. We'll see. It should be decent. Depends if there's an Australian server for Hamachi. I'm pretty sure there is. So it might have like 50 ping. You should check your DMs. Oh yeah, I should probably do that before we start the stream here today. Alright. Let me go ahead just to make sure it's going to show up on the stream. Alright. Just going to shrink that down. What do we got here? Minefields. Whitelisted. Oh, Minefields. Wait, what? Minefields. Uh-oh. Minefield. You didn't even ask me. This is branded. This is branded content. Nah. I mean, yeah. Minefields 1.13. Minefields 1.13. I guess we could call it that. Minefields. 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 Yes. Hey, can I have a copy of the Minefields map? You can just upload FTP if you want. FTP, it won't work. It's it's like 10 billion gig. It's like 10 billion gig. Yeah, no, literally uploading it through FTP will take hours through whatever I'm doing, because it takes me forever to upload files for some reason. Remember Minefields Public? That went well. That was a major success, alright? That was a major success. Don't even know what happened. I don't even remember the story, to be honest. 160 members on CubG Discord, nice. Alright. Let's just keep up to date with everything here. Does the sponsor server have an updated Technic pack? If so, what is the link? But prefer Technic over Twitch, okay. Hi, Mr. Crayfish. As Forge now requires registered tile entity to use a resource location, would you use data fixes when updating your current mods, such as CSFM, to prevent worlds from being broken? Yeah, I'll look into it. I did see somebody talk about that, and oh yeah, I'll definitely have to look in. I'll definitely look into it because it'll be a problem. Like that's kind of. That's annoying, eh? It's annoying, hey. But yeah, I'll definitely look into, like, I'm sure somebody's gonna post like a code snippet for like literally every modder to use to update their tile entities. It's kind of stupid that tile entities didn't use a resource location from the start. Like they did it to the entities, but. He's watching right now. Yeah, I think code snippet is going to be posted, yeah. Somebody would do it, because, like, it's going to be something that everybody's going to need to use. Everybody. Literally every modder is going to need it. Do you install the Obfuscate mod? What do you mean? Did you install the Obfuscate? Oh no, here we go. I can't play because it won't let me get the vehicle mod and my computer broke. So if I do get my computer fixed, it still won't let me get the vehicle mod, and I don't know why. Have you installed Obfuscate? You need Obfuscate. It's a library which deals with rendering the player, because I use it. I use it for a lot of my mods, so they actually have compatibility. Alright. Just take a look at everything. Mr. Crayfish, app ideas. I was thinking that someone or even Mr. Crayfish should create a photo gallery. Oh, this is a device server. We should probably ignore that. It's unrelated to the live stream, to be honest. Okay. So, let's go ahead and we need to create a class for land vehicle. For land vehicle. Entity land vehicle. Alright. Entity land vehicle. I don't know if I should call it that. Entity land vehicle. But the thing is, I need physics to be different for all of them, so yeah. But like, I still want, like, the thing is, I still want to keep some of these things, like current speed, max speed, acceleration speed, turn directions, turn sensitivity. Oh my god. Like, I still need, like, all those for every single vehicle. Like, drifting, for instance, is exclusive to land vehicles. Acceleration, direction, that's going to be for all of them. Time since hit. Again, some of these need to be fixed up. I think, like, a lot of these as well. I'm going to actually remove that and actually can have a different way to actually remove vehicles. But I don't know. Engine type. Yes. That'll be for everything. Horn, again, most likely for... maybe we could keep it to land vehicles. Boats don't really have horn. I mean, they do have horns, but like, it's more common for a land vehicle to have a horn than a boat. Like, pretty much every land vehicle, pretty much most, yeah. Do you have a wife? No. Going to the bathroom, guys. Please don't breathe on moves so I don't miss anything. Alright. Bring back Aether episode 2. It's coming soon, alright? Just a couple of years later, alright? Just a couple of years later, okay? We will get it done. Alright. Entity land vehicle. If anybody objects to that name, okay, do it now. Land, sea, air. I guess we'll have to do it that. Entity land vehicle. Extends. Entity vehicle. Oh, now hold on, cancel. Abstract. Abstract. Alright. So, yeah, make that public actually. I also have issues. Your furniture mod fell in love with a chicken. That doesn't make sense. Are you working on entity sounds for boat? What? We're working on boats. We're basically adding support for boats right now. Entity C vehicle. Oh no, it's supposed to be abstract. Because I don't want these. These are classes that shouldn't be like. Shouldn't be able to create your own Entity C vehicle. It must be an actual proper vehicle. There's no such thing as just a C vehicle. Make a tinny that's really slow but easy to move. Yeah, I definitely want to do a tinny. I like the idea of a tinny. I have a tinny. I'm going to go ahead and bring up my drive. If you guys have ideas for boats, do let me know, because we need some ideas for Wednesday. We need some ideas for Wednesday, so do let me know. We have jet ski, speedboat, tinny. It needs to be fun vehicles though. Some guys like make a plain vehicle car. ATV. My other idea, right? My other idea is if I was going to have physics that were interchangeable, for instance, like if I was going to have physics that are interchangeable, maybe I would have like a physics mode instead. So if inside an entity vehicle here, the thing is like, then we can't like separate a lot of these, but I guess it's not too much of a problem. But yo, Shadow the Cat, make a hoverboard. It's not a bad idea. I think we've already got that down. I already got that idea down. But I appreciate the super chat, my dude. Thank you, my dude. At a pirate ship, and what is a tinny? A tinny's like an aluminium boat. Aluminum boat. To those people that say different. Aluminum. Aluminium. It's different dialect. Canoe. That's not a bad idea, my dude. Canoe. If you guys have epic vehicle ideas, do let me know. Canoe is a dope idea. No big vehicles, by the way. I mean, a tinny, I can make a small tinny. Or I could even make it a two-person tinny, but like, that's it. Like, it's not going to be a big vehicle. Bugatti isn't a boat. I think I hurt my foot yesterday, by the way, guys. I hurt my foot yesterday from standing up all day. I literally stood up for like 5 hours. Because like, I woke up this morning, right? I woke up this morning. What the heck? Oh,
make a cannon that shoots you.
Make a cannon that shoots you. What? What even is that? You're saying make a cannon that shoots yourself. That doesn't even make sense. That doesn't even make sense, but the cheers for the super chat, my dude. Shadow the Cat. Appreciate you. A small compact hatchback, 3-door, 2017 model. Comes with a surround sound system, Bluetooth, AUX support. Sailboat, too big. Make a ship based on the new shipwrecks. Add a tank. We need boat ideas. I need boat ideas by dudes. Canoe. Ah, it's not double N. Canoe. There's different dialect builder boy. Like some people say aluminum, and then some like we say aluminium. Like the thing is, like, we're from Australia, so like we have like a lot of like we put a lot of like the word A sounds like the word R a lot. So like when we say Allah, like when we use the word you, sometimes it sounds like an A. So like we say aluminium, like I say aluminium. Aluminium. I mean, that's how I've known it. No one's like ever corrected me around here for saying it wrong, you know?
Make a cruise ship.
Make a truck to pull boats. Make a cruise ship, dude. I need small vehicles. Cruise ship, my dude. Legit. Let's build a 1-to-1 scale of a cruise ship. That's gonna take forever to model. Yeah, it's spelled different in the US. Yeah, maybe it's because it's spelled different. Is that a thing? Is it spelled different or is it just said different? Hi, just joined the chat. What up, Noah? Minivan? Yo, that's a dope idea. We need like a small, what's that combi? We need like a small combi. What's this? Yo, Master Chief.
Can we VC? Me and Doodler have things to discuss with you.
Yeah, we can do a VC after the stream, my dude. Cheers for the $10 super chat. Can we get some hype in the chat? I forgot to tell you guys. Sponsors, get that emeralds out. Get those emeralds out right now. Make up for the other super chats that we got as well. Make up for those other super chats that we got too. Please. Aluminum. Britain. Aluminum. Ah, Britain is... aluminium is Britain, aluminum is US. Okay, there we go. Same thing though. What the heck? Why did you guys change that? some guys like one day, you know, I'm just gonna remove the I from this word, and then we're gonna call it the US English. All right, we're just gonna change that one specific word. Like literally just closed his eye and he's like, I'm gonna change a word just so I can create US English. That one. Okay, remove the I from that. There we go, done. Like he opened up a British dictionary and he's like, alright, we need to create the US one. That one, page 368, fourth word down, change that one. The story is a company wanted to use that element to as in a trademark, so they changed the spelling so it was legal. Ah, okay, that makes sense now. And then I'm guessing everybody caught on it. Everybody, everybody just started knowing it for it. It's kind of like when like a brand becomes the name of something, even though it's not the actual name of it. Like, for instance, in Australia, right? Oh no, in the US, you guys call it a cooler, like where you put your drinks into like a tub with ice. You guys call it a cooler, but in Australia, we call it. I mean, I'm pretty sure. I don't know what it's called a cooler. It's called a drink cooler, basically. But like, regardless of the brand or anything, we just call it an esky. An esky is actually a brand, but we call every kind of cooler an esky. You guys are like, what's an esky? But we just call every cooler an esky regardless, because it's actually a brand, but we call it an esky. So that's interesting. I remember from a furniture mod update, yeah. So if you've ever played with my furniture mod, you would have seen that I actually called it an esky. Cause like that's what I know it as. I won't let you go. Alright, so we need to move some of the stuff out. Ah! Split horizontally, split vertically. Is that right? There we go. A man who on every occasion has given the best that he has. Yeah, we're gonna do a lot of fixing up, by the way. So drifting is exclusive to land vehicles. You cannot drift in a boat, alright? It's impossible. I've tried it before, alright? It's impossible. Horn, engine type, damage taken. That's all fine. Like, all these are like... maybe the horn. Should we have the horn in every vehicle, guys? Or should we have like... Should the horn be in every vehicle, or should it be exclusive to land vehicles only? What do you guys think? I want a foghorn, crayfish. I need a foghorn on a jet ski. You have 28 viewers and started 28 minutes ago. That's what's up. That's a coincidence, actually. No, that's a conspiracy. That's a YouTube conspiracy, my dudes. The longer we stream, the more viewers we get. So if you stream for an hour, we should be at 60 viewers. According to that. Not really, but we should. I gotta go. I just let you know if I go on I gotta go, and just to let you know if I go on vacation on what? Yes, horn in every vehicle. Okay. So the thing that we've got to do as well is, alright, first of all, let's register it. So entity initialize. Make sure we call the super too. Alright, so I need to initialize it, but the thing we need to do is I'll get this in here. set drifting is drifting. The thing we need to do now is like make it so we can change the physics of a vehicle. Because right now we can't. So like for instance here, drifting. I'm just trying to make sure. I guess it doesn't really matter where it gets called. So on client update, and then we'll just do the same again. Oops, copy this. We need to be able to actually you need to be able to separate the physics. So for instance here, this is where it gets a little bit weird. I guess the create particles is like exclusive. Mind you, all this physics is related to, all this physics is to do with land vehicles only, so we should do something different. This is all land vehicle physics. This ain't boat physics. Like land vehicle. Update motion. Like maybe some of this could like still be in it. All this math related to science. I gotta go, and if I go on vacation this summer in America, I won't be able to join streams for a while. That's fine. Maths is science. Science is maths. Work on your shopping cart and make a jet ski, please. Working on boat physics, sorry, my dude. But yeah, I've already got jet ski down as an idea. Already got that down. I'm gonna take a BRB here just for a quick. I gotta go toilet, but I'll be back. You guys stick around. Suggest me some ideas of what vehicles you'd love to see, and I'll see if I can read them out when I get back. Maybe there'll be some new ones. I'll leave them up on the. Oh no, I wouldn't. I would leave it up on the stream just so you guys know. Alrighty, let me go ahead and do that actually, so you guys can just know what we've actually created already. I'm gonna switch over here. Switching over. Alright, hold up. I'm gonna go ahead and add this to the live stream. Hold up, give me 2 secs. Add a new. Just gotta be careful here. Display capture. Screen. Alright, this should be fine here. I don't got anything like important. I ain't got anything important. How do I crop this? Ah, there we go. Alright, so that's the suggestions so far, so enjoy. I'll be back in a sec.
We'd go to bed in my arms, you're safe and sound, without a threat, and I can't wait to see what happens next. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still
A little bit young, but I'm we're still a little bit up, and I'm back with the live stream. Yo! Oh god! All right, let's fix that up. So what did you guys suggest? Blah 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 blah. The screen is pixelated. I can't read it. Get some eyes. Fighter jet, supersonic jet, paddy wagon, invisible vehicle. I want the invisible vehicle. What is that, SpongeBob? Invisible car. It's a boat though, isn't it? It's technically a boat. The invisible vehicle. Or the paddy vehicle. There's already a minecart in vanilla Minecraft. Why would somebody suggest one for your mod? I mean, like, no, not like minecart, but like a minecart with wheels. Like, use the normal Minecraft minecart, just have wheels on it, so you can drive it around. It would just be funny. It would just be a funny vehicle. Alright, so... Minecarts in Minecraft should make the player rotate with it. They really should. Restart the server. What do you mean? I don't know what's going on. Add a wake mechanic so you can wakeboard and jet ski. Yeah, it's a little bit too difficult. The physics behind it are like weird. I don't know what I like. I don't know. I don't have a basic understanding of theoretical physics. All right. I can create basic physics, but not like advanced physics like that, because I don't even know what goes behind it. But I do have ideas for like I think I've already done it actually. The crazy car. That one's going to be really interesting. I don't think you guys are even going to expect the crazy car. If I fits, I sits. I love your videos. Thanks, Owen. Cray, I have all your mods installed in a crap computer. How do they run, my dude? How do they run? You should add waves that rock the boat. Nah, I'm not adding waves, sorry. I don't want to modify the game. Also, it's very difficult to modify water. It's very difficult to modify water. Alright, so a lot of these like this, right? Like, so much of this stuff needs to go into this class. Update drifting. Update wheels. I mean, yeah, wheels only happen with land vehicles. Update drifting, update wheels. what do we got here? Update speed. So yeah, this is one that can stay in here. Update speed, because it's kind of for everything. The tick lerps, yes. The vehicle motion, I would say yes. But it really depends on like... Depends on the vehicle. So I think like this might be like separate to all of them. So I could probably make this instead like a public method. And I can say update vehicle motion. Could probably make it abstract as well, maybe. Make it an abstract, so you have to kind of... Because like, if you're going to be extending from entity vehicle, you're most likely creating a custom, a different type of vehicle, so either land, sea or air. Underground vehicle. What you're making? We're working on boat physics, but we're trying to like extract everything right now. Alright, so on client update, let's have a look. Acceleration, horn, nope, turn direction's fine, everything like that's fine. We just need to move out these errors so you can see here like this stuff. So this actually needs to be like wait, what's update wheels? Is that handling the turning? Oh, it is. Okay, we need to put that back actually. We need that back in there. Where's that? Update drifting. Update speed. This is going to be in here because it's actually to do with the turning. So it's just this here we want to change around, but that can be a completely different. So update drifting. What does update drifting do? Current speed. Let's have a look here. Yeah, thing is, okay, so the thing with like this, right, is I guess we could override it. The thing with like update speed, right, is that we need to modify the speed before we need to modify the speed before we update the wheels, because the wheels depend on the current speed. So oh, you know what I should have done? What the heck? What's this file? I've never seen this before. Java JB.temp. Interesting. I'm gonna create a new branch. We'll call it boats, because I don't want to do it on the master just in case we need to send out a quick patch or something for the vehicle mod. I actually haven't checked GitHub. We should probably check that. Furniture mod. It doesn't look like there's anything. Bug with combo list. The drop down doesn't move with it. Yeah, I have to fix that up. No, Mr. Chef, this is gonna break cheese vehicle. Yeah, I know it is. But that's not my fault. I told you the warnings. I told you already. Add a motorboat. Oh my god. So update drifting. Ba, 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 da, ba. I've been asking you this for a billion times. Release the survival bunker TV and computer. I'll get to it, my dude. I know I've said that a billion times as well. Survival bunker. What's the survival? Oh, the redstone survival bunker TV and computer. I swear I released the TV. I don't know. I think it's because... Oh no. I don't think I did. Alright, I'll get to it. Alright, let me put it down. Also, don't say answer my question, because that's what everybody says. Why aren't you reading my comments, Crayfish? I'm leaving. Alright, to do. And I'm not trying to make fun of you, I'm just saying, I've said it so many times and people are like, why aren't you reading my comments, Crayfish? I'm unsubscribing if you don't read my comments. Like, that's just a pathetic way to get noticed. Alright. There we go, I've wrote it down now. It's my to-do for today. To-do. I really need to start doing like to-do list. Be a good idea. Like this bit here, right? So update speed, right? Like we should have that there. Update the speed first. And like this here should be like update speed. Should be like down here or something. Don't know why. Like this can all just be inside of one method. Like I literally don't even need this in here. Like literally have this exclusive to here. So oopsie, not that. Don't put that there. Put that up here. I'm just curious if we need to do current speed like that. Yeah, I think we do. Set speed, yes. Put that into here. Don't know why I didn't do this earlier. It's kind of feels a little bit silly of me that I didn't do that earlier. And then we might have like another method which allows us to modify the speed so vehicles can get access to this. So update the speed. It looks so much cleaner now. Like that's the thing. The power of refactoring your code. Okay? The power of refactoring your code. Does work. Does magic. When are you going to add cars into the inventory instead of commands? Never. Because it's going to be different. You're never going to be able to have vehicles in your inventory. It doesn't make sense. We're going to have a proper legit crafting. You're not going to be able to pick up vehicles. Because it doesn't make sense. I subscribed to both your channels for over 3 years. I followed you on Twitter and I joined the Discord server. Yeah, that's what's up. Are you friends with Unspeakable Gaming or log.zip? No, I'm not. But I do, log.zip and log.zip does follow myself on Twitter. I think I follow him back too. But Unspeakable Gaming, no. Where is GitWeb? Get good, yeet. All about those memes. Get good at GitWeb. Cray, when are you going to add cars? I know, I've already read that. Wait, what did you say, Cyberman? I don't know. I don't want to think what you said there. If that's what you're trying to say, that's not really a nice thing to say in chat. Subscribe to Cray if you haven't already. Yes, everybody go subscribe. Personal cars versus Mr. Crayfish's vehicle mod. What do you guys think's better? What do you guys think is better? Personal cars, ultimate car mod versus personal cars mod versus Mr. Crayfish's vehicle mod. What do you guys think? This should be like update turning. Oh, to or toward this place. Okay. It's just very similar to another word I know. To or toward this place. I am hither. Crayfish is for the win. Crayfish mod is the best. Fix your device mod. That tells me a lot of what about I should fix. Fix my device mod. What do I fix? There's so many things in it that I gotta... There's so many things in it. Maybe I have to go through all the millions of things to guess what I gotta fix. That's very helpful there. Fix my device mod. Capital letters as well. Hey Cray, fix vehicle mod. What part? I don't know, just fix it. By deleting it. Delete code. Ba 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 ba. But cannot last, but as last I could finally breathe. See, yes. When you like a method to like modify speed, update speed, and like a public void modifier. Like I'd rather these like, yeah, or the private rating modifier. Ugh. Turn angle. Uh-oh. I guess it will work. We'll see. So hard working with such a small window here. Oops. Yeah, you guys won't see a lot of this. I'm just trying to... The problem with trying to show the code on stream at the same time. Intuit, Dio and I have a replica of your town. Which do you think is best? I haven't really seen a lot of them. I don't think I've seen yours. No Swagway. It's like a Segway but with more swag. Your device mod crashes on 1.12.2. Doesn't point me to anywhere. Why not submit a bug report? Why not submit the crash report? Actually lead me somewhere instead of saying it crashes because it doesn't help. Have you installed Obfuscate? Have you read the description of the mod indicating warning that this mod requires Obfuscate to be installed as well? Have you read the description? Have you read how to install it? Well, telling me it crashes does nothing, and I'm not going to respond to your help if you don't give me any more information then. It crashes! You mean downgrade the gun mod, not update. Downgrade the gun mod. Downdate. I'm not adding the gun mod to 1.11.2, sorry. It was, but I'm not doing it. It's because I haven't even finished the mod. I don't want to develop a version for an old version of Minecraft if it's an unfinished mod. Because it's a waste of time. If I finish a mod, then I'll go and downgrade it. But I'm not going to do it while I'm actually developing it, because that means I got to keep pushing changes out for every single version. That's a waste of time. Okay, there we go. We're getting a little bit more specific. Light and lasers. The light mod and the lasers mod crash. Yes, it's because they're not updated yet. The mod doesn't crash. So you're saying the mod loads up perfectly fine. There we go. We're getting some more information. The apps aren't updated. Was that hard to say what the specific problem was instead of saying it crashes? Sorry, I'm a little bit worked up because there's so many people that come to me that say it crashes, fix your mod, and they don't give any information about what I've got to fix. Like so many times. Like just go to my GitHub, report an issue, or send me a crash report in a paste bin with saying what the crash is. It's not hard to do that. You want something fixed, give me a detailed report and I can do it like instantly. If you're gonna do capitals at me and say it crashes, I'm not gonna fix it. Yes, I already know the problem. It's because the apps aren't updated to the latest API. We need like an on-vehicle update or something like that. Well, actually, this is going to be after it. We'll just, okay, so let's just say this goes after everything. This goes after everything. And that means that we can modify everything. Update vehicle motion. Maybe we could have like a public abstract. Public void on vehicle update. Yeah, I'll call update vehicle, whatever. On vehicle update vehicle. So here we can do like some extra stuff. Could you do a 1.12 with your skateboard mod, please? Please, could you give us a link to your city? I'm not releasing my town, but I might release an updated map that has like more buildings in it. So if you guys know of the map that I created for my mansion, I'm most likely going to just add some buildings to that. Most likely add like maybe Cray Fine Foods and the bank to it, so you guys can play around with those. Listed to Sapanta, do not post caps. I'll issue a spam warning. Because you're basically screaming at me in the chat, essentially. Let's have a look. Maybe make a vehicle factory that you use to make vehicles. There's gonna be like a proper way to craft vehicles. Like you'll see. It's gonna be cool. You are screaming, indicating caps as screaming. In English, capitals means speaking loud. That's what it indicates. So you're saying, devices duplicate when they break them. I don't. What Cray said. Alright, update drifting. So we can do like update drifting, which will update the drifting, but then it also modifies the current speed. And then after that, updates the speed for it. And that's good, I guess. There's just still some more things that we're gonna take out of here. Yeah, we don't need the modifier speed anymore actually, because we got the update vehicle method, update turning. Here we go. What is this update? Create like a method. Public. Yeah, you guys can't even see half of this. I'm sorry. Public void update. Call update wheels. We'll have to move also this into this class too. I'll say plate speed percent equals this dot get normal speed. Also need to modify this too. So we can actually update. We can update the turning. This dot update. Update wheels. What's wheels depend on? Depends on the turn angle, so update turning. Update wheels. Update drifting. Maybe we could do it here. Updates the turning while including drifting. Applies. Considers considers drifting. Wow. Alright. And then this normal one is just going to be divided by 2f instead. I'll say, let's do it better. Updates the delta but updates the delta to consider drifting. Alright, there we go. Sorry Cray, for 10 minutes I tried all CFM block items A to Z and I submitted more than 5 issues on your GitHub. Also, you should do a stream when you fix all the open issues. A lot of them have probably been fixed. Let's have a look. GUI mat doesn't show when placing on a non-full block. Okay. Like, some of these might work already. What version are you talking about, though? Tech Gamer. What version are you talking about? The thing is, like, people report bugs, but for old versions that have already been updated and fixed. So, what version are you talking about? Because I'm pretty sure breaking the TV now does actually stop the audio playing. But I can't vouch for it too well though. I'm pretty sure I did look into it and fix it. You didn't create your mansion, you download from Planet Minecraft and just upgraded its exterior? Yeah, no. I didn't say I created it. I said I created the map. But then everything else I created. I use 4.2 when I picked 1.12.2. Okay. Okay, I know why. So it doesn't break instantly because of how the sound actually plays. So I'm assuming you play a sound, you destroy it, and then after the sound is finished, it won't play anymore. That's just a side effect. The side effect of how I'm playing the sound. It's not a lot. I mean, there's stuff I can do about it, which I might change around, but it's pretty easy to fix it up. Bring back the paddy wagon. It was never added. So how am I bringing it back? It was never added. Create particles. Create particles. What's this? Spawn particle parameters. Why do I need that at the end? So we can actually override create particles. Where does that even get created? I think it's like after it. On client update. Alright, there we go. Hey, sorry, I'm back, Crayfish. What's up, Noah? Add the paddy wagon. Because it's not in SpongeBob anymore, so you gotta bring it back and put it into the vehicle mod. Oh. Also, there's little bugs like the radio, which is a method which is client-side only, so it'll throw an error server-side. Okay. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna release an update, because Ocelot did a lot of bug patches. Because he was bored, he was like, I'm gonna do some bug patches. And he actually did a lot. He fixed up a lot of things. Like, he fixed up bugs that people didn't even, like, didn't even report. What am I doing? Read the stream title. Alright, so we're slowly getting there. We've kind of started to remove, there's like less things now. I'm just trying to make sure there's no sort of land physics. Alright, entity vehicle, create particles, should have like the particles creating afterwards, I don't know. That doesn't get used anymore. If we ever want the old physics, we can get them back. We don't need to comment it. We're using Git. We can find out later. You should update the copyright 2015. Yeah, lol. So out of date. I don't know what to do. I'm looking everywhere for everything. Add a feature to the TV that allows you to turn it off. Yeah, there are changes I need to make to the furniture mod, and I am gonna, like I said to you guys, I'm gonna do like one last big update to the furniture mod sometime. Maybe we could, instead of doing like mod week, maybe we could do like furniture mod week, where it's like an entire week dedicated to the furniture mod and creating an update. Because I could probably do it within a week. It doesn't take too long to add in that. But I'd have to figure out what the update is going to be. I don't know what the update is going to be. The final update. The final update. Make furniture mod great again. We need to get that trending. Make furniture mod great again. Oh my god. Alright, just making sure. Okay, it looks like we're good in terms of splitting everything away from here. There is like some of this stuff as well, like drifting, for instance, shouldn't be in here. Like it should be in the land vehicle only. And then we can do stuff like super on update. That's fine to do there. Oh. I guess we'll have to override that too. Create particles. Add nosedives on vehicles. Yeah, I'm not gonna be doing it. I know like it'd be cool, but create particles. Yeah, basically just need to override the whole entire method. What's happening down here? Uh-oh. Yeah, we need to override that. We actually don't need that anymore, because that was just exclusive to drifting. I think that... I know, we've still got some of this stuff we need to move. Wheel angle's fine, it's just these, which don't have any use to this anymore. Then we're also going to update that. Yeah, let's put it under it. Okay. Let's have a look. Wheel angle, previous turn angle, that's fine. Maybe put this up with here. Delta yaw. Doesn't make sense actually. Rotation yaw. Wheel angle. What's this? Oh, I think that's to do with turning. Yeah. who disliked the stream. I don't know. Can you make vlogs? I don't have an exciting life. I don't have an exciting life. So if you want like videos of me just at home, that's basically what it would be. What is that one we like, let's say rename to Leap. Can you create a program that can convert 64 by 32 skins to 64 to 64? It's called Photoshop. It's called Paint.net. Oh, I know what you mean though. I know what you mean, sorry. It's not just resizing it, it's you gotta add in the extra things. I don't know. There might already be one out there. Hey, Zondi! Zon! Love your newest video on the main channel. It brought back so many memories. Oh, have you been subscribed for that long, my dude? I was like surprised. Like I was just curious if anybody's been subscribed for that long, to be honest. Because it's an insane amount. Hey, there it is. Nice little
Love
pop-up
your
on the
newest
stream.
video on main channel. It brought back so many memories.
That's what's up. I want that bit of cheese. Oh, cheese is gone now. Appreciate the super chat, my dude. Yeah, it was fun checking it out again. Definitely some history of my channel. Maybe you guys have never been around since back then. Because you can imagine like 5 years ago. How old were you guys 5 years ago? How old were you guys 5 years ago? Follow Cray's Snapchat. He posts his life every few months, lol. Every few months. There's my vlogs. Cray, the bread is back. Yeah, I know it is. The bread is back, my dudes. Alright, so we've updated that now. Now the thing is, we're gonna update a bunch of other things. Like here, for instance, this needs to be that, and it's going to be entity colored land vehicle. Vehicle. Motorcycle, and this will be entity land vehicle. Cancel. Alright. There we go. That's pretty much it for that. Colored motorcycle, no. I wonder how we're going in terms of this stuff. Oh, June buggy. Uh oh. I don't see entity land vehicle. Oops. Just some of these need to be updated. Let's rebuild. Like, this should work perfectly normal. One thing I can see though. Oh, what's this wheel? Oh. Get wheel rotation. Render. Yeah, it's kind of exclusive to land vehicles now. We'll have to somehow fix that. I want to be nice, so have another $5. Dude! Cheers so much for the support. Can we get some hype for him right now? If you're a sponsor in the chat, give him some emeralds in the chat. Show him the love. Because that is super generous, my dude, and I appreciate it a lot. Let's go ahead. Let's start it off. Let's start it off. Hashtag shave bread. $500 and I shave it. $500 and I shave it.
I want to be nice, so we have another $5. Smile.
$100 and I shave it. $100 and I shave it. It's risky. Entity couch. Entity land vehicle. You know, our sponsors are gone. Rest in pepperoni. Rest in pepperonis, my dudes. Risky for the bisky. That's my quote. How about 100k likes? Sure. That's my quote. Risky for the bisky. Got a risky for the bisky. Entity land vehicle. There we go. Let's rebuild. Bum, 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 bum. Oh yeah, we need to fix up rendering now. So we need like a new Java class, render land vehicle, extends render vehicle. It has to be public too. Kind of. Keep it protected probably. Oopsie. Extends entity land vehicle. And then in here, we're gonna have the wheels instead.
Risky for the bisky.
Zardio coming in with a last minute super chat. Risky for the bisky. Gotta get a risky for the bisky in this chat right now. Risky for the bisky. When you actually take it serious. Have you ever snuck into the kitchen to steal a biscuit? While mum's there, like, watching TV? Have you guys ever done that? Like, sneaking into the kitchen to steal food? Have you guys ever done that? Risky for the bisky. And if you know your mum catches you, she would whoop you. What the heck are you doing in the kitchen? Hashtag risky for the bisky. If I remove the dependency for the cheese mod, if I remove the dependency for the cheese mod and cheese vehicle, and you let me update in, could we add it to CubG? I don't know. The thing is, we don't want to we don't want to add too many mods to CubG, because the more we add, the more laggy the server will get. Plus, I don't know if it's yeah. I know what you're trying to say, but render land vehicle. Then we need to fix up a bunch of these. Render couch. Oh, this still uses the old method. Yeah. Interesting. Same with that. June buggy. Alright, it's because it uses different stuff. Like, a lot of the stuff still uses the old methods. We're also going to move this into its own package. For like stuff that is actual an implementation. Oh my god. Exclude. Oh, implementations. Searching comments and strings. Search for text occurrences. Because it's all just going to be bugs. There we go. So all implementations go into there. Let's do a rebuild of a project. I'm just going to take a guess at the song title. Hold tight. It's called You Make Me Move, I'm pretty sure. Make Me Move. Close. Close, my dude. You make me move. How'd you learn to code like this? Just practice, dude. Like, the thing is, like, a lot of people... I mean, that's probably one of the most asked questions I get is, like, how did I learn to code?
How did you learn to code like this?
But it's just I've been doing it for years now, so... Anything, like, you can practice anything. Like, if you were to practice something every single day for years, you're going to get good at it, regardless of what it is. Maybe there's some exceptions, but yeah, if you practice every single day, you're gonna get good at it. You know, that's just a thing. That's how it works. So if I code every day, I remember a lot of the things. I remember how to code. I remember, and you practice your skills as well. The thing with programming is it's not just about writing code. And it's not about writing code. It's actually about designing these complex structures to, you know, well, I wouldn't say complex, but it's basically, you know, designing, abstracting. Like, if you know how to abstract, that's... You gotta learn how to abstract things and put them into their own classes, organize the code. You gotta learn how to... The design of coding rather than actually coding itself is more important. I mean, I'm not the best at it. You know, I'm still not good. Like, people, I mean, I say that, like obviously you guys, to you guys, I seem good, but I'm still not, like, you know, crazy good. I do a lot of fun. But, like, it's so weird, like, to me, like, this just looks like normal coding, but, like, to you guys, maybe, it's just like, what is he writing? What is this stuff? Like, it looks like a bunch, like a big blur to you guys. Which is interesting, which is funny. Like, people just can't, like, they look at the code and they're like, what is that? I can't understand it. Like, seriously, get out of here, Crayfish. How about a wheelchair for the vehicle mod? It's not a bad idea. Do you guys hate it when, like, verified accounts follow you? Multi-platinum 2x Grammy Award winning producer Eminem, Lil Wayne, Rick Ross. So you go around following everybody. Low, you get like no likes either. Was it 70k followers? 70k followers gets, what's it, 80 likes. 80 likes on a tweet. 80 likes on a tweet. 60 likes on a tweet. Whoa. You're doing well on the Twitter game. Then me. Couple of, what's it, 15k? 15k? 5 likes. Like, Twitter's is just as bad as, like, YouTube. Like, I have 15k followers, but like 100 active people, and that's it. Like, literally, my Twitter growth is the slowest ever. I don't understand how, like, my Twitter growth is so slow compared to some other people. Like, I've seen people like with like they'll have like 1 million subscribers and they'll have like 200k followers on Twitter. I have 700,000 subscribers, but I only have 15k followers on Twitter. Like, I don't have any more than that, so it's weird. Something crashed. Oh, I've got your mod installed. Francis Dorelli, Fly is probably the song name you should play. I know which one you're talking about. Code, remember the screens in the Matrix? That's not code though. That was like a representation of code. In the future. Yo, Cray, how about it? I reread that. Please make a train or a young Greg car or a wheelchair. Binary, bro. Oh yeah, it's binary, but it's like Hacker Man. Hacker Man prints out Hello World. Hacker Man. I am working on my version of your town right now. Awesome. Sounds good. So yeah, nothing has changed. Like, all that and nothing has changed. Which is the funny thing. One thing I want to do is make it so the wheels spin better. When are you planning on ending stream? Soon. I don't know, yeah, because I haven't really got around to the boat physics yet, have I really? I haven't really got around to it. Well, that's why it's difficult. This whole, just like splitting this class up has been like a big task. I actually don't want to spend like, I actually still want to keep to my time, kind of like schedule of like 2 hours only. I've been like really messing around with that a lot. Like I've been doing like 7-hour streams. Not that it's a bad thing, but like I'd rather stick to a kind of a strict schedule. Cause it's just better for me in a way, cause then I'm like, okay, 2-hour live stream, get some videos done afterwards. Like it's just a better schedule for me instead of doing like 6-hour live stream or just.
Can I be
like,
a moderator?
No, I'm sorry. There's no better way to address that. We've got moderators already which are doing their job quite well. Yeah, nah, I'm sorry, like regardless of how much anybody donates, we can't, I'm not gonna make you a donated moderator just because like the moderators that are in the chat right now are quite close and in terms of like they actually chat to each other and we all know each other, so unfortunately not, but I appreciate the super chat a lot. Shadow the Cat and all your other super chats as well. I'm glad you're enjoying the live stream, but yeah, I'm sorry about that. Yeah, we don't just add moderators just because someone donated. But yeah, this is working how it should, which is perfect. I'm happy about that.
Okay.
It's all good, dude. Cheers, dude, for this again. Second super chat there. You know, could have just had like a normal message, but decides to do a super chat as well. But I appreciate that, dude. I appreciate that a lot. Alrighty, so We still got we still got like 15 minutes. I think 15 minutes? Or, I don't know what time I started. What time did I start? Oh no, it's been 2 hours now, hasn't it? When did I start, guys? Let's have a look. Alright, I still got 15 minutes. Okay, cool. Alright, so, let's go ahead and we can actually start. Oh, let's go ahead and commit this. Now, it was kind of, what did I do? Was it technically like abstracting the vehicle class? It says 2-hour stream, but on my screen it says an hour and 46. It says an hour and 46. You guys are tripping. Hold on, let's have a look. It's probably because it says it's been, no, it's, I scheduled it 2 hours ago. I didn't actually start it. I didn't actually start it until, I didn't actually start it until a certain time. So it's only been an hour and 46. Alright. I guess it was an abstracted vehicle class. So that's kind of technically what we did. Kind of separated it. Separated it into more specific classes. So we can actually add support for it. Boats. Boats and boats and Cray, read my last message. What's the song name? The last song, or this one? This one's We Are by Joe Cohen and S Wales. S Wales. Boats and by Mumbo Jumbo. I did a video on my version of your world and it already has 130 views. Nice, dude. Awesome. That's sick. Alright, we can close O. Close others. Close O in group. Start more from a fresh slate. At some point I'll do a let's play mod thing. Bad name so you can say it or mum will get you. I can do what I want. I can do what I want. No one's telling me what to do. It's the perks. Nobody telling me what to do. Alright. Yeah, go crayfish. Yeah, but not on stream. Yeah, stream. Except for stream. Alright. Oh, we did already kind of start working on a sea vehicle. Whoops. Update motion. I'm also going to look at entity boat. Just to get an idea of what their physics were. Because I honestly don't know. D1. What's D1? Get underwater status. Check in water. Where does this say? Reaching for stars, stars, yeah. On land, in air. Alright. I just need to know how the physics work. Update motion. Like, how does it know to... How does it know to stay above the water? This get water level above. Set position. Ah. Guessing this is what it is. Get block liquid high. Okay. We'll have to do a lot of this. I almost copy it pretty much. Well, they actually had a label for it. Never seen that. It's like one of the most unused syntax in Java is using a label. Like it looks so it looks so weird, but it's a thing. Like it's so uncommon. There's so many like. I feel like there's better ways to do it than using a label. So like update motion. So the thing we gotta do is so like let's say like if it's not in the water, then like we don't want it to do anything. Like we could make it similar to the boat physics where you can like drive it on ice. Read my other 3 messages. Read my other 2 messages. Make a console mod? What do you mean by that? Like a terminal. Who the flip disliked? And if you guys are enjoying the stream today, I haven't done this yet. If you guys are enjoying the stream today, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button right in half. Show your support. So we need to say like, ooh, if it's in the water, where's the status? Status. Status. Where does it update the status? Status equals boat status on update. Okay. So a lot of this stuff we'll most likely like copy, like because why write our own code when use Minecraft? Hey Cray, KO disliked. Low. Someone is not interested in technical stuff, that's why he disliked. I saw the last expanding town live stream, is that what you're talking about? I never forget this day. Alright, so on land, in air. We could probably change this around because, like, A lot of this is like just named by the community. Probably change it to like, instead of enum status, we could say Fuelium for the win. I know, Fuelium will be the fuel. Fuelium. Someone put bread in my fridge in Minecraft. Wasn't me. Status. Status? Nah, I'm gonna call it state. We can say driving a nice state. In water, on land, in air. I want to name it something different. I don't know. I just don't want to like make it the same, but still it's going to have the same kind of code behind it. Hey, Mr. Cavish, can you teach us Java or write a program? Sorry. Java's something you need to learn on your own terms. Like, it says a lot. Like, you can learn, you can watch tutorials on YouTube, but you're not gonna get good at it unless you practice it yourself. It's a lot of self-perseverance. Self-motivation and perseverance. Like, you'll never be able to never be able to get good unless you have your own self-motivation and patience. Patience is key. I'm using Audacity, but it's not working. Should be. Desktops and device mod? Maybe. It would come down later in the road. I'm not adding any new things to device mod. Next update. Oh no, I am still adding things, but not like major things. So next update is going to be a smaller update. We're going to be finishing off the UI color system by actually finally like adding some settings, some options into the settings menu to customize the colors of everything. But yeah, I don't want to add in anything major. I want to clean up everything that's in it already and make it actually good. Alright, whatever state. I think I'm in love. If previous state was in air, then status doesn't equal to in air, and status doesn't equal to on land and in water. I guess it updates if you fall into water. Last YD, what the heck? The heck is this? Last motion Y. Why do you need that? Interesting. So protected. Update vehicle motion. Oopsie, blah, 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 blah. Previous state equals current state. And then we do our stuff. I know we should do update vehicle. There's gravity, but we can obviously modify that. Crayfish at work, can't read every message, pretty much. But yeah, that's going to end off the live stream anyway. I think we'll continue with this maybe tomorrow, because I actually do want to make sure we have boat physics ready before we actually go ahead and add boats in, because otherwise it might be a super duper long live stream, like super duper long. So kind of want to fix this up before we continue on with creating more stuff. Sea vehicle, yeah. We'll have to. Out of control ticks. At a highway in your town. I'm not gonna add a highway, because no, you'd have a highway connecting two towns. What time is it in my country? 1:34 PM. I'll say, yeah. Make a Mr. Crayfish Discord server, maybe? We've already got one. We got one already. Update vehicle motion. Called private state get state, and then return magic. You can also try write our own sort of custom physics. We'll see though. Anyway, that's going to end this off. Thank you guys for coming along. I'm going to go ahead and read Twitter shoutouts right now. Twitter shoutouts. Yeah, it's PM. Sorry, it's not in the morning. It's in the afternoon. No, it's still afternoon. Yeah, PM. Alright. Twitter shoutouts. I didn't really promote Twitter, but we got a shout out to Space Cat Doodoo. Who else do we got here? Alright, let's go ahead and I think this is it. Yes. 18 retweets, dope. We got shout out to Zahn, Master Chief, Ocelot, Little Colby, Gaming Anime, Roland Stone, J Splat, King Polar, Gaming Boss, Lister, Sapanta, Joseph Thousand, Builderboy426, Goon, Minecraft Dealer, Think Lab Minions, Donovan Wood, It's Sheepcraft, and Haunted Corpse. Cheers guys for the support there over on Twitter. Appreciate all of you guys. And thank you everybody for coming out today. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button right in half. Break it. Destroy it. Alright? Snap it in half. I don't care how you do it. Just snap it. Alright? Just literally snap it. But that's it guys. Thanks for coming along. Again, we might do this tomorrow and finish this off. So we're actually ready for Vehicle Wednesday. Vehicle Wednesday, my favorite day of the week. So get ready for it. Alright? You better be there. Turn on post notifications too, so you get notified when I do go live. But that's it, my dudes. Catch you all later. Enjoy the rest of your day, night, wherever. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to wherever you are. And peace out, my dudes.